What is up, YouTube? Today is a special day because I will show you guys how you can make $5,000 of passive income per month. With the information I will give you guys in this channel, you will be able to replicate my strategy and grow your net worth. It's not going to be easy because nothing is ever easy in life, but if you follow along and apply yourself, you will be able to build your own Robinhood money printer. Okay, so now you're wondering, how did I do it? And not to worry, you do not need to wait any longer. Here's my secret. I built a stock trading bot that is able to make you about 5% a month on your money. This is my portfolio over the last 3 months with a 22% return. Now, some of you are thinking, wait a second, 5 times 3 is not 22. And you are correct. The additional 8% has come from side trades that I've made outside of my bot's knowledge. And just to show you how powerful a compounding 5% return is, let me break it down for you. Say you ran the trading bot for 12 months with an initial investment of $25,000. In the first month with a 5% return, you will receive $1,250, closing the month out with a total account value of $26,250. After just 3 months of running the bot, your account will be worth $28,940. After 10 months of running the bot, you will be making $1,939 a month to do nothing, making your account balance $40,722. And just after 1 year of running the bot, you will have made $19,896, leaving your account value at $44,896. That is the power of a 5% compounding return. You will be driving to the grocery store making money and getting notifications on your phone of every single dollar you've made. You might be wondering what you are looking at right now, and this is the log of every single sale my bot has made. It goes on and on and on. Every single morning I wake up with more cash in my pocket. In this channel I will show you guys how to build a bot just like this one so that you guys can earn passive income for doing nothing. My portfolio may look volatile, but that is just the bot doing its job. It makes profits on the down days but collects insane amounts of cash on up days. Even if the stock is trading sideways for 3 months, the bot is collecting profits the entire time. And when the stock does go up, it is able to capitalize on those profits. If you want to learn how to build something similar to this, then follow my channel, subscribe and like, and I will hold your hand and walk you through the entire process to show you how you can build your very own trading bot. But before we get started, you will need a Robinhood account. Make sure to click the link in the description and you will receive a free stock when you register. I will try to post daily so that we can start raking in that passive income. I'll see you guys in the next one.